Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a roux white sauce. This easy method will guide you through creating a versatile base for many dishes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of whole milk. Don't forget a pinch of salt and white pepper for perfect seasoning. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start with the heart of our white sauce, the roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking until you have a smooth, thick paste. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly to gently cook out the raw flour taste without browning it. With our roux ready, it's time to transform it into a creamy sauce. Slowly pour in 1 cup of cold milk, a little at a time, while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant stirring are key to preventing lumps and achieving a silky smooth texture. Keep cooking over medium-low heat, stirring frequently, until the sauce thickens to your preferred consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, let's perfect our delicious white sauce with some seasoning. Once your sauce has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Stir in a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper to taste. Remember, white pepper is often preferred for its subtle flavor and lack of visible flecks. Give it a final whisk, and your easy, creamy white sauce is ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect for countless dishes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.